Welcome, guys. Okay, so today we are solving this 982 baseball game. You're keeping scores and with some strange rules. Okay, so this type of problem is very common in the Leetcode. Basically, you have some rules, and you need to follow the rules. And so each instruction has some special property, and you need to encode this. You need to encode this property and give an answer. Okay. So suppose you have an empty record and given a list of operations. Each operation I means the ith operations. Okay, so there are 4 of them. The first is x. If it's integer, then you just record a new score. If it's plus, then you need to record a new score that is sum of the previous 2. Okay, and the d means that you double the previous score. C means that you remove the previous score, and it's guaranteed that the plus dc are always well defined. Okay. Okay. So 5 to CD plus. So add 5, right? Starting point is 5. Here you see other integers. So add that integer. And C kill these 2. And D means that you double the previous, and there's a 10, right? And plus means that you added the previous 2, you get 15. 15, and then you total sum of them. Okay, I guess everyone knows it, so I will skip this example too. Okay, so we create an empty list, and for I in operations, if list I is the C means that you delete, right? So the list will just pop. So pop will pop will remove the final elements. If it's double, then just append the previous element times 2, right? Do this. And the list is plus, so L just append the previous 2. So L minus 1 is the previous, L minus 2 is the element which previous to this L minus 1. So and else, right? Else means that it's integer, so L just append the float. And then you return sum. Oh, and finally you take integer, right? Because all of this is integer. Okay, so or maybe you just change this to be integer. Then you don't have to do this. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.